welcome to the very first video of this brand new channel. In this video, I'll explain SQL concepts and interview problems in the absolute easiest ways possible. I've made even hard questions sound simple, and I assure you, this is the only video you need to feel confident writing complex SQL queries. I've picked easy, medium, and hard questions from LeetCode, many of which were asked in the big companies like Uber and ZS, and I'll use the best approach to explain them. So, in this video, I've carefully selected one problem from each category, easy, medium, and hard, straight from LeetCode, all of which I have encountered during my own interview experiences. Now, the first problem we're tackling was asked in the L1 technical round of Uber and L2 technical round of ZS. It's listed easy on LeetCode and it's super common. It's widely asked in the interviews, especially for finding employees earning more than the managers. So here we have an employee table with columns ID, name, salary, and manager ID. The task is to find employees whose salary is higher than their managers. For example, in this table, Joe earns 70,000 and his manager Sam earns 60,000. So 70,000 is greater than 60,000. This makes Joe qualify. So let's see how to write this in SQL. We'll use a self-join, which is used in SQL when we need to join a table with itself to compare rows within the same table. We'll join the employee table with itself, aliasing one as E, which is employee, and the other as M, which is manager, and match employee table's manager ID with manager table's ID. Next, we'll apply filter where employee salary exceeds manager salary. And that's it. Result, just Joe. Since we have successfully cracked that easy LeetCode problem, let's step up to a slightly harder medium level question. This one is to find the nth highest salary, another frequently asked interview question, especially by major companies. It's one of the most basic yet common challenges. Now, there are two ways to solve this: the offset method with limit or the dense rank method. In interviews, using dense rank can impress more as it shows deeper knowledge. If the interviewer gives you time and it's not a fast-paced setup, avoid relying on offset. We have an employee table with ID and salary. The task is to create a MySQL function, getNthHighestSalary, that returns the nth highest distinct salary. If there are fewer than n distinct salaries, it will return null. For example, with salaries 100, 200, 300, and n which is set to 2, we will get 200. We use dense rank to assign ranks to distinct salaries in descending order. Filter where rank equals n and limit to 1 result. If n exceeds distinct salaries, it returns null automatically. With that medium problem completed, we're now stepping up to the final hard challenge. Finding the top 3 salaries per department. This one's a bit more complex and often asked in advanced interviews. So let's get into it. We have employee and department tables. The goal is to find employees with top 3 unique salaries per department. Let's see how to write the query. First, join employee and department tables. Next, use a subquery to count distinct salaries higher than each employees in their department. At last, we have to apply order by for department and salary. And this should be done in descending. That's the hard challenge. You've now seen easy, medium, and hard SQL problems. You'll find more information on this. Stay tuned for more and drop your feedback below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.